Welcome back. You're watching The Big Story. Big news that we're tracking as far as day ahead of Champions Trophy 2025 is concerned. BCCI loosens the noose around cricketers. This is because sources suggest players allowed to bring along family. Now, each player allowed to bring parents or wife, applicable for any one match during the Champions Trophy 2025. Now, players need prior permit to bring family. Remember, that was the decision before. Taking that straight across to Karishma Singh, my colleague, joining me for more on that. Karishma, very good morning to you. Given the fact sources are indicating this, why would that be? In terms of this decision, that is.
Well, yes, absolutely. Remember earlier there was a time when families were allowed for the entirety of the tour whenever India would be going away, playing away matches. But then after a series of loss versus New Zealand first and then, of course, the drubbing in Australia, there was a 10-point rule book that was formed by the BCCI, which we had broken earlier. And as per that, families wouldn't be allowed for the entirety of the tour. In fact, it was said that if it's a 45-day tour or more, then families are only going to be allowed for about 14 days. Now, this is going to be the first tournament wherein all these rules are going to be implemented. We've seen how, the team has been traveling together. There are no separate cars. And as far as the family is concerned, now what we're given to understand is that for one match only, families will be allowed. The players can tell the board which match is it that they want their families to come for. They need to apply for permission, of course, and then the permission will be given by the board. So obviously, one match is what the BCCI has agreed up until now. Remember, the tournament starts for India from the 20th of February when they take on Bangladesh, then on the 23rd when they take on Pakistan, and then there is a bit of a break before taking on New Zealand on the 2nd of March. So clearly, there are three matches. If India were to win all these three, they would, of course, progress to the semis and then eventually the final, which would be played in March in Dubai if India is to qualify for it. So yes, the players have a choice. They can choose the match and they can let the board know, and the families will be allowed for one particular match.
Right, Karishma. All right. Thank you so much for joining us with all those details and more perspective as well for our viewers to better understand that. But for now, we leave it at that.